Exposing the passion in progress, I will show you how dedication shapes the future of our community. Born and raised with a burning desire to see growth and equality flourish in every corner of our community, pushing this dream to far for our beautiful land of Alkebulan, Hashim Khumalo founded the Alkebulan Liberation Movement to turn this dream into a reality. Under his leadership, ALM has launched numerous initiatives aimed at uniting Africa, with single leadership of Africa, one president, one army, one parliament, and one identity. But what drives a man like Hashim? It's simple, the belief that together we can overcome any challenge and achieve greatness as the children of this soil. The land of Alkebulan, the land of our ancestors. From organizing community workshops to leading by example, Hashim's dedication is a beacon of hope. Join us as we continue to strive for a brighter tomorrow, inspired by the unwavering commitment of leaders like Hashim. Together with the Alkebulan Liberation Movement, let's build a legacy of liberation and success. Are you with us? Leave a comment of how we can do better. Like and share.